Hello, good afternoon, good people of the world. I greet everybody. Trending and disturbing news. There is a news trending. I don't know whether you have heard about it. If you haven't heard about it, I will tell you now. Because it becoming too much that we cannot tolerate it anymore. We cannot tolerate it anymore. No, no, no. We have to expose them so that they will run away. When you expose evil, then they will run away. Now, wait, I'm coming. A minute. Give me 1 minute, I'm coming. This news is becoming too bad and disturbing. So I decided that I will tell everybody today so that they will be aware of what is happening. I don't know whether you have heard about it, but don't worry, I will tell you. Before we go further, we are Igbo Anyị Abia. We are in the group of Igbo Class World, Igbo Language Police. We are the group that is promoting Igbo language and culture. Our duty is to teach our children Igbo language, our language, Igbo mother tongue. Because nothing binds people together more than language. If you see any person that speaks your language, you will see the person like brother immediately, your sister immediately. You will feel at home. You will open up to that person. That is our identity. That is our trademark. But we found out that it's coming to an end. It's coming to extinct. So, we don't want to support that anymore. Papa, Bia, Papa. Bia. Nga nke papa je welu nke. Yes. We decided that we are not going to tolerate them anymore. So this Igbo language, if you are from any ethnic group, the first thing you will do to your child is to teach your children your mother tongue. That is their first language. If you are denying your children their mother tongue, that is their first language, you are not doing your children favor. You are not doing your children good. You are deceiving them. You are pretending. You are living fake life. You have to teach your children their mother tongue first, then followed by English. I've been telling and advising people, just speak your language to your children right from day one. The day she or he was born, start speaking your language, because he or she will learn English. Definitely, he will speak it more than you, so that she or he will be in advantage. Speaking double language is the advantage. After a lot of education and when it comes to employment, especially in the Western world, when they found out that you speak double language, your opportunity will increase. They will take you first before other people. Assuming you have the same certificate and they found out that you have advantage more than the other one, you speak another language, then they will be happy to take you, because you have something the other person don't have. They don't respect people if you don't have what they don't have. That is the law of nature for you. That is nature for you. It's not discrimination. So you have to know it. Let it register in your brain that if you are not teaching your children your mother tongue, you are not doing your child a favor, or you are not, treating your child good. You are maltreating your child, because it will come to a certain point where she will ask you certain questions. She or he will query you, and you have a question to answer. That time you will feel so bad, because a lot of parents have been complaining that they made mistake. Now that you heard that, we are coming to realize that we are making mistake. If you continue to wallow in the same mistake, then You are not getting it right at all. That's why we are calling all Igbos, because we specialize in Igbo language. We are calling all Igbos to come along with us in our Facebook page, Igbo Class World, to register with us. Send us message. Tell us what you want. If you are hearing Igbo but you can't speak, tell us the area you need. Papa, can you? Adanna, so if you are not doing your child a favor, you are maltreating your child. It's child negligence, I can tell you, because even the European we live with, they always educate us. They tell us to always speak our language, but we wouldn't listen to them. We always do our own. We are trying to speak that English more than them. Let me tell you one story. There was a time I went to Netherlands. I'm looking for something. I went to a particular office and I asked for something in English. So the woman said she cannot respond in English. Can I speak the language? Because I have the permit to stay. She asked me, how long have I stayed here? I said 5 years. She said, it is enough to speak the Netherlands. So I thought it was a joke, but she meant it, and she didn't attend to me. I walk away with anger. I walk away with running stomach, because what I want to do is too much important to me. I'm desperate to do that thing, but I walk away in cold and in anger. I went home. I say, oh my God, is this a discrimination or what? It is not. They want people to learn their language so that their language will be going far. People will recognize them. If you don't teach your child your native tongue, it's like you are walking on the street without identity. And if police get hold of you, you are landing back to Nigeria. Deportation will face you. It's like producing a very nice product without a label. You don't label it. People will not know what the product is all about. That is exactly what our people are doing. So we are advising everybody, start now to correct the mistake. Many people have made the mistake. What is annoying me and disturbing me, it is very disturbing and worrisome that 90%, 95% of Igbos, they don't know how to speak their language. They speak American more than their language. They speak Yoruba more than their language. They speak Hausa more than Igbo. But they cannot speak Igbo, but they can speak Hausa, they can speak Yoruba, they can speak any other language. I don't know whether it's over intelligence is bothering them. I don't know. Learn English and keep it. Learn your language, keep it. Don't throw away your inheritance and your heritage. It is too bad, because you use your hand to kill your lineage. You are killing yourself by not speaking your... Nobody will wake up in this world with her right senses and say that I want to go extinct. Nobody in this world will do that. But we are doing it unknowingly. People, they are eager to preserve their identity, to preserve their own. But we use our hand to kill our identity, to kill our trademark, and we thought we are wise. That is not wise at all. That is called foolishness. That is onye amamihe mwaga n'oke mali ihe mala amambi. So if you want to correct it, whether you are adult, whether you have grown, just swallow your pride. Remove, don't be shy. Come to Igbo Class World Facebook page. Subscribe to it. Send message. Come to our class. We have class tomorrow. We are in group of people, excellent people, professional people that learn Igbo in the university. All of them have come out to teach our people, to make sure our own did not vanish. We did not lose everything we have in this world. Because if our children don't speak our language, their children will not speak it. How can the children speak it? I've approached many of our people and I ask them, I tell them what is about to happen. They say, God forbid, but God help those who help themselves. Even I told them to come. This education is free now. But they complain that they don't have time. They are busy with their work. And they're busy with other things. Yeah, you are busy with other things, but you have to squeeze out some little time to learn what is more important. It is more important. Because if you don't learn your first language and you are jumping to second language, can't you see that you are jumping class? And when you jump class, you didn't finish class 1, you jump to class 2. Can't you see the effect will be too much and you will progress? It will weigh you down. You will fall on the wayside. You must fall on the wayside because it meant to be to take step by step. And other people will not respect you, will not recognize you because they will notice that you are imitation. You are imitating them. You are inferior because you are following them. Follow. You have to be in the same line with every other person. Give your children your native name first. Immediately they were born, give them their native name. That is where it will start. Then the second step is start speaking your language to your children immediately they were born. And never you deviate or backslide, because immediately you start like speaking another language, you will be afraid that they can't cope, they can't catch up. That is very lie. It is just fear. If you are Igbo person, your husband is Igbo, you are Igbo, you don't have reason for your children not to speak your native language. Yes. So let me cut it short and go to trending news, which I told you I will tell you of. We used to receive call. Why I say we is that many people have been complaining of receiving strange call, especially those living in UK. They say that a call will call them and say that it is from income revenue, or it will say that is coming from national insurance, that your national insurance is questionable. You have to come. When you answer them, they will tell you, okay, give us your details. You will give them your details. You don't know what they are going to do with your details. So some people complain that they call them and say that your name is in the criminal book. You have a question to answer. Now tell us your identity, or tell us about yourself. Explain yourself more. Give us more details about yourself. So they have called me twice. In my first phone, I pick up the phone. It was UK number. I heard like it sound like government phone. They start speaking with engine, telling me that my national insurance is questionable and that. Immediately I off the phone. I say in my mind, if I have any problem with national insurance, they have to write me, not to call me, is what I concluded. I just off the phone immediately. So the next day it called in my after some days it called again in my second phone and said about income revenue. So immediately I off my phone. I say, what is this? If I have any problem with income revenue, they will write me, because they know how to write. They know how to write very well. This is not Nigeria where phone call is everything they have. When they have, if new technology came, they will abandon what they have. No, they used to write letters to make it in black and white. So, I'm not panicking, I'm not afraid. But why I'm saying this, it will make a lot of people to panic, and they will answer the call and give their details. From there, you don't know what will happen to you. These people, they are fake. They are not real. Never you give them your details. Whenever you hear the call and when you answer them, it will start to speak in, like as if they are government firm or company that wants you. They will speak with engine. Please don't answer them, because we are going to somewhere. Many people are complaining about it, especially yesterday. I met three people. The other one is saying strange call me and say that my name is written in the criminal book. I have to give my details. I continue to give them till I when I started giving them, then I came to conclusion that I will not go any further. Then I stopped. The other one said the same thing. The other one said the same. I say, okay, it's not me, only me that this are happening to. So I will tell everybody and ask you, if you have received such call, just let me know. I want to know what is happening, because this is beyond something. There is something fishing under. So I have to know and investigate more. So if you are living in UK or in any other place and you have received such a call, please let me know, because I'm doing some research. I want to use it for something. So that is the trending and disturbing news everybody is encountering, especially here in UK. I don't know whether is this pandemic is causing all those things. Many people are indoor and they are roaming and garnishing their teeth, seeking for who to devour. Please let me know. I will be back later. Let me leave you for now. I will be back later. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.